so excited to share a little bit about myself with you. I love singing, dancing, and cooking. I am 16 years old, living in Puktoy, Natuan, Surigao del Sur. Pukto? Seed 11 Sparrow. And this is my father. He worked in Manila. And my mother is a housewife. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. And also, I'm not a Catholic. I'm Jehovah Witnesses. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe. Bye!